what is a soul? We have a human being, and what makes up a human being? What is a human being? A human is both body, so we have bodies, but also a soul. God in the book of Genesis breathed life into Adam. God, in the first chapter, made us in his image and likeness. So we have not just a body, but we have a soul. And what is the soul? First of all, it's important to point out that we are, as human beings, not one in the other. It's not that we are human souls inside of a shell of a body. No, we are both soul and body together. This is why God became man. God, divine, became man, both body and soul. And that unity of divinity and humanity allowed us to, in body and soul, be united with God in heaven. So the soul is the part of us, in union with the body, the part of us that allows us to be united with God. So when the body dies, the soul for a time is separated in order to seek that unity with God. And then at the final judgment, the end of the world, the soul and the body are reunited into a new creation. So we are bodily people. We are people with souls and bodies, not just one or the other. And so the soul has certain clues, certain powers in which we know that we are separate from other entities in the world. We have intellect. We have will or desire to want something, and we have emotions. These are not the soul. Just being able to think, just being able to desire something, just being able to feel emotions are not the soul itself, but they point to the existence of a soul, because through our intellect, through our will, through our emotions, we can seek unity with God. But don't overlook that. It's not that the soul is just the spiritual part of us, separate from the bodily part of us. The soul is what connects us to the divine, connects us spiritually to God. And so the key to life here as a human person isn't to separate the soul from the body, but in order to be bodily people seeking unity with God. Because ultimately, that's what the soul is meant to do. Not just to be a spiritual being, but to be united with our Lord in heaven, ultimately and forever. I'm Jared Dees from thereligiontutor.com. Go make disciples. God bless.